Hello, I'm Caroline Schmalz, community dietitian, and I wanted to talk to you today about one of my favorite vegetables to stock up on right now, and that is carrots. So carrots are a good source of fiber and beta carotene, and the great thing about carrots is that if you store them properly, they will keep their nutritional value for several weeks. When you're looking to buy carrots in the supermarket, it's great if you can get the ones with the green tops, because those really show how fresh the carrots are. When you get those home though, you want to take them off because they'll continue to pull moisture from the carrot and dry them out. Also, if you can get your hands on purple carrots are the most nutritious of all. So they're much more nutritious than orange carrots, and actually over the last few years they've become more widely available in supermarkets. I did have some purple carrots, but I've eaten them already, sorry, so I can't show you. I talked about storing carrots properly, and what you want to do is make sure that they're in a sealed plastic bag and put them in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. That will protect them from other vegetables and fruits that may emit something called ethylene gas. Carrots are susceptible to deterioration from ethylene gas, but if you've got them in a sealed plastic bag, they're going to be fine. In terms of preparing carrots to eat, there are many different ways to eat them. They're great grated in salads, chopped up in stir fries, cut into sticks, and eaten with a dip. But actually the most nutritious way to eat carrots is to cook them. The more you cook them, the sweeter they get, and luckily, the more nutritious they get. So keep them whole. Scrub them really well, but you don't need to peel them, you don't need to cut them up. If you lock in the nutrients, you're actually going to get more benefits from them. Steam them, saute them, toss them in a little olive oil and lay them out on a sheet pan and roast them. The nutritional benefits are also enhanced if you eat them with a little bit of fat. Beta carotene is a fat-soluble vitamin. So I like to drizzle a little yogurt tahini dressing on there. I like to eat them with pesto, just tossed in a little sesame oil with sesame seeds sprinkled on top. Many different ways to enjoy cooked carrots. So stock up on these. They will last a long time in your refrigerator. There are a lot of different ways to eat them. They are nutritious and delicious.